Yes, hear that aggressive high-speed V8 roar. It's the Ford Raptor. Correct. The sound of accessible lightweight drift fun. Toyota GR86. That's right. Hear that aggressive high-revving roar. It's the Acura Integra Type S. Yes, hear that brutal, luxurious rumble. It's the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door. Hear that naturally aspirated perfection. It's the Nissan 370Z. Correct. The sound of JDM royalty making a comeback. Toyota Supra. The sound of Le Mans history. That high-pitched rotary scream. Mazda 787B. Yes, that heavy, unstoppable rumble. It pulls mountains. Toyota Land Cruiser V8. Yes, the sound of pure surgical track precision. The Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. Yes, the sound of a race car unleashed on the street. The Huracan STO. Yes, hear that big, brutal, shocking speed. The BMW X6M. Yes, the sound of raw, limited edition madness. The Project 8. Hear that aggressive, responsive turbo bark. Correct. BMW M235i. Correct. The sound of piston-free perfection at 9,000 RPM. The Mazda RX-8. That brutal supercharged V8 thunder Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Hear that apex predator roar. Correct. Ram 1500 TRX. The greatest V10 sound ever made. Lexus LFA. That pure high-revving V12 orgasm. Ferrari 12-cylindry. Hear that spaceship induction noise? Correct. McLaren 720S. That final, world-ending, naturally aspirated V12 scream. Lamborghini Aventador S. Yes, the sound of a terrifyingly rare one-off masterpiece, the Zonda GJ. Yes, the sound of analog perfection and engineering genius, the T50. That 1600 horsepower megacar scream, Koenigsegg Jesko. Correct. Hear that shocking, raw W16 violence. Bugatti Divo. Let me know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit bell icon. Thanks for watching.